Hello and welcome back to the Broken Doll, and tonight I'm here to do the last touch-ups of my Shirley Temple doll. I don't think I'm going to need many more now. It's just the head and the body. I did the body already, so now I'm just painting around the head area here. Just in this neck area, I want to make sure that I'm getting the last of this here. I went to the Salvation Army today and I was able to I got a bid number for those little dolls. They're just little dolls. There's a little kiddo in there, and there's these ones called Love dolls. I guess they were on Hallmark or some type of Carlton card maybe or something. Well, these are the two. It's a little boy and a little girl doll, a man and woman doll, and I bid on, like, they're all grouped together. There's a 1950 vinyl doll head in there. I think I have that doll. I'm not sure, but it seems like I want to say I do, but I don't know for sure. And the next one, if you hear the snoring over there, that's my son sleeping. But anyways, I told him to roll on his side. But anyways, I did get the number put in. And so anyways, I'm going to paint the last of this around her neck area. And this should be it for the touch-ups. I think I'm pretty much done now. Whoops, touched. Anyways, so I do have my bid number. I opened it up, the bids, so now I'm not doing no more until the end, to the last day that comes, and I'll go in and see where it's at. And oh, I also, they had a little toy Singer, it's with the box, Singer sewing machine in there, and I thought, oh, that'd be nice to have. And it's actually a working one. It works, so I want to see that. Okay, this is about it in here. That's it. I don't need to do anything more. This looks really good. And yeah, there we go. So anyways, I think I'm going to end this because my snorer over there won't stop snoring. So, but anyways though, yeah, there we be. So we're done. It looks good. I'm happy with this. Yay. There seems to be a hair caught in. I'll get the hair out later. I had one, it looks like a little cat hair got into her and I was painting her. I'm surprised there hasn't been more. I've only found this one. I've looked her body over to make sure. I'll get that later. I'm not going to get into that part with it. But anyways, there we go. She looks really good. I don't think I need any more touch-ups than what I've done. So I've done around the legs, all the arms and everything. Everything's looking great. So yay for that then. So all I need to do now is let this dry. Then we'll start doing the lips and all the eye area. So hang in there. More to come. I know this is a very slow process when you're painting with oil, because oil has to dry, and once it dries, you're ready to go. It's like you got a blank slate and away you go and do what you got to do type of thing. But all this is done, and I'm happy. One thing with this Shirley Temple too is this is right in the compo. I can't get away with it. Even when she was painted with her original paint, she had black lines running through her face. It's right in the compo itself. It's not to do with me painting or anything. I can't get rid of it. They're just there. It's like a line running here. I have another one running. It's just a poor... this one should have been cast off to the side and not used. When they were doing quality control, that's what they should have been doing, is tossing this one to the side. And they didn't. And, yeah. But she still turned out nice, though, regardless, you know. But I noticed that with her in her face. And it is what it is. If I was to bring her up close to you here, you could see that line running right through her face. She's got about 2 or 3 of those lines actually running through her. And it's right, it's not... the painting, it's in the compo itself. It's like something that went wrong. But anyway, she looks cute all the same, and we're going to go press forward with her. I'm proud of her anyhow. So anyways, we'll talk to you again soon, and I'll let the snorer snore over there. Bye bye. Thanks for joining me.